Kahit ilang dagat dapat awinin, higit pa riyan ang aking gagawin. Ang ibig ko, buhay ko, ibigay sa sandala ng pag-ibig mo. Higit pa riyan ang aking mahal. May bukas pang restaurant dito.
Narinig ko po talaga kasi lechon!
And since we just celebrated our 125th anniversary of our Philippine independence, hindi ho matagal yun. That was only just a 2 weeks ago. So we'd like to dedicate this to all freedom-loving Filipinos, whether you're in the Philippines or outside the country. Alam nyo, mahal na mahal natin ang ating bansa. Hindi po ba? Kaya ka naman, ikaw maiyak ko na. For you. Sigaw na kayo ng more, pero wala.
Ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto at bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa kaniyang palad, nagalay ng ganda at dilag, at sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon man may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan ba kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas? Pilipinas kong minutya, ugat ng luha ko't nalitag. Aking alika, makita kang sandalaya.
To dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave dare not go, to right the unrightable wrong, to love pure and chaste from afar, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest, to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for that heavenly cause. And I know if I only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will will lie peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest. And this world will be better for this, that one man scorned and covered with scars, still strong with his last ounce of courage, so to reach the unreachable star. This is my everlasting life, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into